strikey. You see that? Listen up, ladies. We ain't standing for nothing this year. Once a nigga feel like he moving funny, once it feel like a nigga moving funny, he moving funny. Alright, y'all, we going to Top Golf. Show Top Golf. I won, y'all. You already know. It's called Chardonnay. So we starting with Chardonnay. Yo, why I'm drunk? Y'all know I be getting drunk, y'all. Like, I can't even drink. You can't take me nowhere.
Trini girl, you had that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn.
Yeah, I'm struggling in my boots.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn.
This is cute, y'all.
I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let outdo me. I got hoes by the group tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, I in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm leaving by more, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches from the my baby, my book, I'm city, I'm spurting. Got 5 million cash, there's some places get merging. My kids still get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of version. I'm tired of these.
Nice over here, y'all. Scenery. Yeah, you driving me? Are you stable?
It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who for you working? I turned on my coupe, bought a coupe off of version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm going that dirty $10.
Yeah, this is so ghetto. When you go out and you get home late and then you gotta pump gas and go to work. Like, ghetto. Yeah, waiting for my groceries to get here. Your girl's cooking today. My groceries are here, y'all. Woo! I ordered a good amount of stuff, y'all. The lady who delivered my groceries was like, she had like the little thing that go on your neck for you to talk. I forgot what that's called, the little thingy. Like, people really be out here getting it how they gotta get it, bro. I'm about to put my groceries up and stuff, y'all. Section, MAGA. Smoothie. Orchard smoothie things. They look good. Look so good. I want to try new things. I'm about to just season my chicken and let it marinate for a little while until, you know, maybe for like an hour, because I got to go upstairs and install my wig. So that's what we about to do right now. parsley, I got the chicken, the large shells, and it's going down amazing. It's amazing, y'all. The aged cheddar, you can really taste it, like the pepper jack and stuff. So good. 10 out of 10, y'all. For dessert, cheesecake. Shout out Publix. It's going down. Cookout line. Park lot. Yo, you in cookout? What old time friend? Yo, we've been friends for 8 years, y'all. This is one of my friends. Period. We friends, right? Right, we friends? Yeah. It's switching up. Period. I just told him that because he didn't even see the TikTok. Like, we got years in this shit, so don't come on here like, oh, that's her new boyfriend. Oh, because I know how y'all be messy, okay? This ain't that. But, wait for my food. It's taking kind of long. Some smack, y'all. I'm having a good time. Like, what y'all disgusting in there? We got the food, y'all. We're cleared the mission. I asked him, I was like, what you think is going to be the first thing I ate? Because I got chicken strips, fries, and onion rings. And he said onion rings, and he was correct. Ding, ding, ding. Bingo. I'm busting open these onion rings right now. I've been craving onion rings ever since I smelt it earlier. Ooh, hot. It's mad dark, y'all. Oh, y'all. I never tell y'all how I knew him. We went to the same college. By the way, just in case you were wondering. Went to Virginia State. 2015. Period. A lot of y'all didn't know I went to Virginia State. But I did. For 1 year. In 2015. See y'all later. Yeah, I'm comfy. I got my feet up. But I got chicken strips. I don't know why they got my stuff all thrown around in here. Like, the presentation is off. But it is busting though. It's nice and fresh. I love the cookout by my crib. It's always nice and fresh. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Almost done with my makeup, y'all. I know I'm late, but I'm getting ready right now. I'm going on a date. It's nice today. It's supposed to be like 73 degrees, so we're gonna wear a nice little cute calm fit, y'all. So I just wanted to tell y'all that I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done. These are the blue lashes I was talking about. Yeah, they're given. So I gotta wear something with blue, or I might just wear my blue glasses. I don't know. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. And I don't know how I'm supposed to get rid of these damn bags under my eyes, because why do I always have bags under my eyes? Like, I'm a tired ass bitch. I don't get it. That's embarrassing. I look like I don't sleep.
You have to get thick, sis.
Yeah, I'm gonna get thick.
But I know you gonna be real thick. Keep eating oats, sis.
Period. I'm thick because I be eating oats. Pussies ain't taking shit for me but notes. Child, so I'm done getting ready. This the fit. I got on my little mesh shirt. My blue sock, of course. I got on these jeans I got from Fashion Over Fire. My off-white yellow dunks. So I'm trying to switch it up and stop wearing my Ricks everywhere. Only thing is these pants is mad long and it's dragging, and that's bothering me because I hate when my pants dragging on the floor. Like, I'm a germaphobe. If you know, you know. But I'm cute, y'all. Y'all see my blue lashes? Mad cute, mad cute. I'm gonna leave all the details, y'all. I'm gonna try to get a video of my outfit. But I feel like I got a lot of colors on, honestly. But that's alright, because I'm a fly bitch. So this is the fit. I got my glasses. I got mad shit in my bag right now. That's why it looks droopy. But I'm cute, y'all. I got my favorite jacket, of course. Cute. I'm on the way to get some gas, and I'm gonna go to the bubble tea spot. I don't know. I'm supposed to be going out. Like, I'm supposed to be going out. I got a little date or whatever, but I don't know. I'm not sitting here waiting for nobody. And I don't know how long that's about to take, and I'm starving, so I think I'm about to take myself out to eat. Yo, y'all hear my car, yo? Like, this don't even make sense. It's nice out, y'all. It's cute. Sunny. Yeah, I'm cute as hell. So I'm gonna look cute today regardless. Hopefully I can get some pictures, because I'm gonna be pissed if I don't. My outfit fire. So I at least need a damn pic. So we gonna see. I'm about to go to the damn gas station. Y'all hate going to the gas station. Y'all know how much I hate going to the damn gas station. But damn, there's a cat like just randomly just walking. Like, who's cats? It's always some stray animals over here. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the nail salon. I mean, the nail salon. I should be going to the damn nail salon. I need my nails done. But I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the gas station. So damn hot. But I was trying to take myself to eat, y'all. So I was on TikTok looking at good restaurants over here. But I don't know what I want yet, so I'm just at Tiger Tea right now getting some bubble tea in the meantime because I'm thirsty as hell, and we're gonna figure everything out after. So let's go. Pants dragging. She's annoying. If you're a germaphobe, you know. Y'all, finally. They took a little minute to make my shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm starving, y'all. I'm trying to figure out what to eat. But look how, ooh, this looks so damn good, y'all. Excited. Hey, y'all. Right now I'm driving. I'm on my way to Charlotte. Charlotte's where everything is at, y'all. I live in the middle of nowhere where there's nothing. So I'm always gonna be ending up in fucking Charlotte. But it's alright, y'all. We're gonna have a good day today. Period. And I just wanted to tune in and talk to y'all because it's like we ain't standing for nothing. Girls, listen up, ladies. We ain't standing for nothing this year. When some nigga feel like he moving funny, once it feel like a nigga moving funny, he moving funny. And even if you're not moving funny, you moving too funny for me. And I'm funny acting, so guess what? You a dub. You a dub. Like, that's just that. So we don't sit around waiting for no niggas, ladies. Especially niggas that ain't taking us out on dates. Okay, we my grown and sexy. Don't try to hang out with me and don't try to see me if you're not taking me on a date. You are my little friend. If you're not taking me on my dates, you're just my little friend. So I just had to make that disclaimer, y'all. Period. So, and if you bullshitting and you a liar, I'm gonna know. Because I'm just a psychic like that. But yeah, it's mad nice, y'all. I'm supposed to be getting there at like 5:10. I'm still 48 minutes away. Just can't wait to get there already. So I'm gonna try when I get somewhere. Bye, y'all. Yeah. I'm here, y'all. Yeah, huh?
Back with another vlog, you feel me?
Right. It's him again, y'all.
Facts.
About to go golfing, y'all. You know we gotta get high first. Period. You already know. Smoke anthem. I got you. Say your Instagram. They gonna follow you.
So y'all make sure y'all follow me on IG.
I'm gonna leave it right here for y'all.
DJ C Tizzle 714. Make sure y'all follow me now.
Period. Follow him. And he be DJing y'all, so make sure y'all get up with him if you're in the VA area. But I'm cute today. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit when I get out. Alright, y'all. We going to Top Golf. Show Top Golf. Alright. Outfit of the day. I got my glasses from, I don't know, some shop on Instagram. I gotta edit everything now. Yeah. See my blue lashes, y'all. Cute, right? Pants from Fashion Nova. Shirt from Shein. Bag, you already know, the socks. Follow me on Instagram. I think I got this jacket from Forever 21. I'm cute. It's the life of an influencer. I gotta record everything. So nice outside. Look at the view, y'all. So y'all, which club should I get there? The wedge, iron, or the hybrid?
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turn to the city, I broke out the notch. Got some more minutes, that keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it don't fall. We call them chopsticks, cause they gonna chop. Check out how the fighters, cause I'm pussy pop. I run it like Nike, we got it on lock.
That's too hard on that.
The box man in the suit with no top.
I got this just now, a 0. What? I get 0 if it went in. And why I'm going so many times?
They the signs I look for you.
Wow. That's so nice, man. got none on them.
You got some for a show?
That look good. She came over here. Yeah, she came over here fucking hand. She like, I'm getting that bitch a straw. Fuck you, bitch.
Tweaking, geeking.
I can say whatever I want. Just fuck that shit. Bitches be hating, y'all. Y'all know the vibes. Hold on. We have another mukbang. You know what a mukbang is? Yeah. When you eat and you...
Like food shit.
Yeah. You record yourself.
You know shit.
You just eat it when you go. Got a cheese fries for me. We probably let y'all see, but I can't see. What's this right here? That first bite was everything. A1 though. I just had one bite.
What's the goal for this?
That's a good question. Damn, that shit. That jalapeno. Let me get one of them. My goal, start making money on YouTube. That's number 1. 2, get an apartment. Get a dog. Those are my goals. And make some more money. Somebody said taco food was nasty. I can't wait to get out here and taste it more. But is it gonna come out? These fries are so good with the chives on it. Highly recommend. I won, y'all. You already know. I won. Just take my word for it. Alright, y'all. We're leaving the spot. It was a good time. It's nice out. Yeah, I'm outside. Yeah, I'm single, baby. Woo! I'm having the time of my life, y'all. Like, who said single was boring? Single ain't boring. I'm not tired of it yet. But I'm about to get high, y'all. I'm just tipsy off the mimosas. I ain't gonna lie to you. A little bit tipsy, but I'm about to get high. It's a good day. We had Taco Bell, y'all. Getting some donut holes. Because I was craving cheesecake, but Publix didn't have the cheesecake. The Publix over here, which pissed me off. And then I wanted Krispy Kreme, but everything far away, so here we are at Taco Bell. Getting my cinnamon delights. Period. Yeah, we waited 10 hours for these donut bites, and they ain't even give us no extra. That's how it look inside, though. It's mad good. It's warm and soft. Ooh. This is it right here. I'm on my way to a date because we dating all 2023, period. Like, who wanna take me on a date? Period, y'all. I'm so fucking annoying. But y'all, I'm on my way to a date. We're gonna eat and then we're going wine tasting. So y'all gonna see. I just want to let y'all know before I start showing y'all where we at, because I ain't gonna be talking. Y'all already know how these dates go. Okay, for the love of C, period. But we ain't really looking for love though. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit and everything a little bit later. But yeah, I'm on the way. On my way. He offered to pick me up, but you know I ain't letting nobody pick me up first link. I ain't showing you where I live. And I don't know if you a killer or what. You never know these days. So, yeah. That's why I'm taking my car and I'm driving. Come on, because why are you driving so close to me? All right, y'all. So I'm going to let y'all know when I get there.
Oh, that's nuts, Billy.
Lego. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money. In my life today, God on my side today. Can't decide, oh. Whether it's the Henny and nice, can't decide, oh. Whether the we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view.
Here, y'all. It's raining. I don't know why. It's ruining the vibes. Huh?
I know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on a back road. Still a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my back and go. I need to roll. Can't do what you say anyways. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah when you been late. Lately you been acting crazy. Shady, I can tell who's shady. Hate me but still rate me. Maybe it must be maybe, or maybe I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Push the world, I wanna be on beach side Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. I wanna see the view. Sweet island, man, life so sweet. Sweet island man, life so sweet. Let's go. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Watch the world, I wanna be on beach side in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. No stress, no stress, no. That boy is the boy. XO, can't let come boy get to me.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I'm leaving y'all. Yo, I'm drunk. Y'all know I be getting drunk, y'all. Like, I can't even drink. You can't take me nowhere. These crackers is mad good, though. I got some wine to go. I'm going to show y'all later. Courtesy of my date. Thank you, date. I wrote down everything that I like and stuff so I can know what to buy. Because your girl's trying to get into the wine. I'm trying to be my grown and sexy in the house with my wine and all that. Bye. Yeah, my date let me get some wine to go. Period. W date. And it was mad good too. This was the best one at the wine tasting spot. Shout out to you, Bookie.